I'm excited to show you what's in the Social Talkie box today. So let's unbox this. This is the Social Talkie microphone. It's great for filming inside, outside, wherever you need it. And it also works as a walkie-talkie. It's got a lot of features that I'll be explaining. So to get started, it's got two small boxes on either side. Let's just pull out this one here. So this is the transmitter box. You can see because it's got a red sticker on it. And if you open it up, you'll see right here is the device. So as you can see right away, if I pull it out, it's very small and compact. It's also very light, and right away you can get started with it. It's got this clip on the back that immediately can clip on your clothes like that as well. So in terms of what's inside the box, it comes first of all with a baggie, which is very convenient when you're filming outside to keep all the parts together. Here it's got the magnet clip. So as you can see, I've clipped it onto my clothes using the clip, but this goes under your clothes so it can clip on a little bit less visibly. Here we have earphones right here that can be used when you're filming, and the lanyard as well. This is the charger that you can use to charge it up. And then we've got another smaller box right inside here. Let's see. Okay, so this here is the external mic. So you can connect this to lots of different devices, but it's the external mic that comes with it as well. So in terms of what's in the second box, this here is the receiver. As I said, you can always tell it's a receiver because of the green sticker or the green light. So when I open it up here, there's the device right away. Comes out nice and easily. As I said, they can both work as a receiver and a transmitter. So that's why there's two. I'll put it right here. There is a quick instruction manual and guide, but as I said, this product is great for people who don't want to worry about installing things or reading the details or having to use separate apps. So we're actually just not going to even look at that because this is such a simple product, you just don't need it. So if we open up here, it comes with another baggie to keep all your parts together. And as we mentioned before, the magnet that holds it onto your clothes. This here is earphones and another charger, so put that there. And here's the lanyard again. And in the last small box right here, so this is to connect it to your camera and your notebook, things like that. So as you can see, all the pieces right here, this is what works to give you the full functionality of the Social Talkie. As I said, the Social Talkie is a wireless microphone, receiver, and walkie-talkie. It's a great product for filming inside or outside. It's got an external mic. Really all you need is right here.